Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we add picture accent blocks layout in Microsoft Excel. So for that, you have to import a picture first and then you have to select it. After selecting, you have to click on this Format tab followed by Picture Layout. After clicking on this picture layout, this list of layouts will be shown where you have to select the layout in the third row in the third option, that is picture accent blocks. And just after clicking on that layout will be applied. Now if you want to edit this picture, then you can select this picture and then you have to click on this Format tab in the picture tools, and here you can edit the border, you can add any effect, or you can edit the text by clicking on this text, or you can click on this little arrow to edit the text. For example, I'm writing here, and after entering the text you can press enter to add more pictures. The more you will enter, the more pictures will be added. Similarly, by pressing backspace, that picture will be deleted including that text. I will close this. So if you want to edit this text, then you can select it and then you can use this font group to edit the text. That's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete Basics to Advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.